Okay, this is problem number 6 on the 6.2 Pearson assignment. This is the word problem that we have on here for exponential functions. So let's see what it's entitling. An unusually wet spring has caused the size of mosquito population in some city to increase by 6% each day. If an estimated 240,000 mosquitoes are in the city on May 8th, find how many mosquitoes will inhabit the city on May 21st. Use the function y is equal to 240,000 times 1.06 to the power of x, where x is the number of days since May 8th. So they're asking us to figure out how many mosquitoes are there since May 8th. Now, first thing we should probably do is figure out how many days is that, okay? So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and bring open my notes here, and we are going to just write down what they told us real quick. We had... was it 240,000 parentheses 1.06 to the power of x. Now we're going from May 8 to, and I'm just going to reference my notes back here real quick, May 21st. Okay, May 21st. So what we want to figure out is how many days is that? So simply start at May 8th, and then every time you go to the next day, just count up. So if you did May 9th, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, that should give us a total of 13 days, okay? Now, what's nice here, the reason why we wanted to figure that out, they told us that the x is going to be represented by the number of days since May 8th. So x in our problem here is going to be 13. So I don't know why I wrote out an angle. Apologies for that. We need to compute what 240,000 parentheses 1.06 raised to the power of 13 is, okay? And what else can we use? What could we use better than our handy dandy graphing calculator? So let's go ahead and get that open. And we want to type in 240,000 parentheses 1.06 raised to the power of 13. Oh boy, that's a big answer. Now, before I even look at the answer, let's go back to the problem and see what they wanted us to round it to. Round your answer to the nearest. Now, that doesn't say thousandth. That actually says rounded to the nearest thousand. So we know our answer is going to be ending with 3 zeros because they're not worried about that. So we want to see what number we have here. We have the number 511,902. They're wanting us to round it, that second one right there, we want to round it on that number. Now, what was after the 1? A 9. The 9 tells the 1 to round up. So we actually have, for my problem here, 512,000 mosquitoes. I don't know why I said it like that. 512,000 mosquitoes for our answer. That's how many mosquitoes inhabit on May 21st. Okay? Check our answer. Nice work. There's only one part to that one. So that's actually going to compute that one, and that'll be done. If you do have any other questions over any other problems, make sure you're watching the video. If you have any more questions watching the other videos. If you have any